Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So this is Look What I Found, episode 29, and these are the finds from the past week that I've pulled out of circulation, and hopefully some of them are worth more than face value. Well, certainly most of them are. A couple of them possibly not, but I'll show you what I found anyway. So 50 cent wise, not much to find. I did find one IATIS 50 cent coin, mintage of 3 million. So those guys are fairly low mintage, and that's a coin from 2014. So I'm surprised that I can't believe that's 2014. Or the time goes quick. All of a sudden you're looking at these coins that were so fresh to you when you started collecting, and all of a sudden they're 5 years old. A nice 1980, just a high grade one really. That's the only reason why I've kept this out. It's good to make sets of coins. There's a little bit. That's all right. Yeah, good to make sets of coins. So if you find coins that are in high grade like this, certainly well worth adding to a set or starting a new set. This was the only 20 cent coin I managed to keep this week, and that is the new effigy. And yeah, quite a nice looking coin. Potentially low mintage, we don't know. We won't find out for another year. But I'm going to try and keep as many of the new effigies as I can, because we just don't know where they're going to end up volume mintage wise. So keep those no matter what they are if you can afford to. Just purely to show you, certainly not low mintage, but finding plenty of the 2019 5 cent coins with the older effigy. So just purely to show you that I am finding plenty of those. And this is actually the first one of these I've found, which is the 2019 10 cent coin. So I don't think it's a low mintage, but it's still, I haven't found any, so I'll be putting that into a set. And I think I've only ever found one 2018 in circulation. So I do have some, but I've only found one in circulation. So for me to find, really, I've found just as many 2019s as I have 2018s now. So my chances of finding many 2018s, I don't think is going to happen. Alright, one 1985. Fairly dark, this one, but it is an 85. The condition's actually fairly good considering like all the detail there. So, but obviously it's a bit off colour. A couple of changeover 5 cent coins, lowest minted 5 cent coin. So they're always going to be a keeper. At I can't remember every number, but I think certainly in the 4 point something million. A good range of coloured $2 coins. I think we went through those when we did a hunt during the week. And the two 2011s. And I kept this poppy purely because it has a small little cud on it, which I think I highlighted at the time of finding. If I can pick it up. It's just got a little cud on the poppy there, the top left petal. So that's the reason why I've kept that one. Alright, so interesting. I have never really found many international coins in 10 cent rolls, but this one came up this week. So 2012. I didn't even look up what country this comes from. So if you know, please leave a comment, let me know. I thought it was a pretty cool coin. I actually like the design. It's actually got a bit of writing behind the 250 there, as you can see. So yeah, if you know where that's from, let me know. Interested. Alright, so what else did we come across? We did $1 coin roll hunts this week, I think, as well. We got that toned coin there, really nicely toned coin, and I'm just purely keeping that one to put in a set as well. And yeah, great condition, 1997. Probably probably not worth anything more than $1, but for me, I just like to make sets, so it's always good to pull those ones out of circulation if they're in high grade, same as that 50-cent coin. As we just go through, this was a 2016 rabbit ear, and I've certainly pointed out the rabbit ear many times, so should be able to see that little rabbit ear at the top of the kangaroo there, and a Spirou on that one there, so which was the 2010 coin. Alright, fairly obvious that Spirou there. Now one other coin, I had one other roll, but I ran out of time. I didn't want the video to go too long when we did that video, but in my next roll I actually found this one, and if you look out you can find this particular error. I hope you guys can spot it. Can you see the error in that one? So if you go through and you look at these coins, always check, because there are cuds on this coin, and that's it there. I've seen others where the cud's slightly in a different position, but that's certainly a cud in the branches there of the tree. So that's the Landcare dollar from 1993. So check out, yeah, cuds in those ones. If you're a collector of cuds, you'll certainly want to find this coin. Might be worth a couple of dollars, maybe a few dollars each, if you can sell them. But other than that, just good to keep. What is this? The 2019 S coin and the U coin down the bottom there. So I've kept those. Low mintage, 1.5 million. We also found during the week 2 2014 Mob of Ruse, which is a low mintage coin of just 1,052,000 from memory. So they're always going to be keepers, and I found a couple of those, which was nice to find, and they're in good condition as well. And certainly my highlight of the week is always finding a 2016 changeover coin, lowest minted $1 coin put into circulation, and that's from 2016 with a mintage of around 550, 560, something like that, 1,000 coins. So very low mintage, and these guys, I think $10 to $12 these have been selling for, depending on condition. Sometimes you can pick them up for a bit under that, say $8 or something. So well worth hanging on to each one of those, because in some time in the future those will be worth a lot more than face value, as they already are. But I expect those things to really climb, certainly with far more coin collectors coming on and joining the hobby. People will certainly want that to complete a set. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do so. Hit the bell, and that'll notify you each and every time a video goes live. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll have another video for you soon.